So all I have to do is write the name of the variable, in this case x, and then use the operator equals, and then it is just follows with whatever piece of data that I want to put in that variable. So in this case 5. And then anytime later in your code you can access to the value of that variable. For example, here I made the variable x and then variable y to 10. Then now I can access to these two variables through another variable called z, and I can make a mathematical operation on them, x plus y, and the result is 15. So variable names are completely made up by you. Literally they can be almost anything, but we really don't want them to be just anything. In fact, we want them to say a little something about what they are holding. For example, I don't know what is X or Y, but if I choose the name apple, I know there is 5 apples. Or when I choose my box, it means that there is an object, there is something related to the box object. In almost all programming language, variables as well as the function method classes and other stuff that we will learn about them later cannot have a space. We cannot declare a variable called a apple. So if I just choose the name a apple equal to 5, it will give me the error. So we cannot use a space in the name of the variables. What we do then, if we want to create a variable whose name really should be more than one word, there are two common conventions, camel case and underscore. Camel case mushes the words together and capitalize each word, like this. Underscores just replaces a space with underscores, usually keeping the variable name in all lowercase. You cannot use a number at the beginning of the name of the variable. You cannot use hashtags or @ or these kind of the illegal characters. And you cannot use reserved words or MaxScript keywords for the name of the variable. So what are the MaxScript keywords? If you go to the scripting and MaxScript reference, you will go to the MaxScript help and just type reserved word. Language reserved words, and you will find some of these reserved words that you cannot use them as the name of your function or variable. But you don't need to be worried about them now. Later, when we are going to use the MaxScript editor to write more complex code, when you are writing those keywords, for example, the box or if, they are gonna show up a little bit differently. So they gonna turn to different colors. But if I choose the apple here, you see the name that is not reserved or MaxScript keywords is in black and others are colored.